Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the FIFA 2026 World Cup trophy. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the trophy in the center. At the top, let's draw a large curve up and back down, leaving it open at the bottom. Now from the left side, let's curve it in and out at the bottom. And now from the right, let's draw a curve in about halfway down. And then from the outside, let's curve it down just like the other side. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now from the ends, let's draw a line down and another curve across. Okay, now that we have the shape of the trophy, let's hop in and let's add the details. Let's start inside at the top on the right here, and we're going to draw a curve up and back down. And then on the right, let's curve it up and down on the side. And then we're going to draw another arm on the left by bringing it up add a small bump, a larger bump over, and down. And then let's curve it over and up to the left side. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down. Now inside the right section, let's draw an angle up from the bottom. And then a small line up. Now let's hop over to the left and let's draw an angle down from the top. And one more down underneath. Now we're going to hop up to the top section and let's draw a wavy line down in the center. Bring it up. And another wavy point over to the right side. And then let's bring it down on the left with another wavy line. Now from the right, let's bring it in. A curve out and back around. And a wavy line down. Now in between here, let's draw a few blobs. And that's it for the upper section. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw two curves across. And then one more underneath. And that's it for the trophy. Now let's hop behind and let's draw the number 26. Let's start in the center, a little bit towards the top, and let's draw two lines out. And then on the right side, let's bring it up from the bottom. And another line back in. Now let's hop over to the top left and let's draw a curve down on the side. And a line out at the top. Now let's hop up to the top, and in the center, let's draw a small line across. And then we're going to curve it down on the left. And a large curve down and in on the right side. And that's it for the number 2. Now let's hop down and let's draw the 6. Underneath in the center, let's draw 2 lines out. Now let's curve it down on the left side. And the same thing on the right. And then from the bottom of the right side, let's draw a straight line in. Now I'm going to hop to the bottom and draw a line across in the center. Now for the right, let's draw a large curve out and back in. And then for the left side, let's bring it down. And then a curve into the bottom. And now that we've added the year, let's hop inside and let's draw the word FIFA at the bottom. Let's start with the letter F, like this. Now the letter I next to it. Another F in the same way. And then an A at the end. And that's it for the FIFA 2026 World Cup trophy. Okay, now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!